Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you another amazing find that I discovered as part of the YesStyle Affiliates program, where I get to try out new products and share them with you. This is the MediFlower Collagen Anti-Wrinkle Eye Patches. This is a set of 60, and what I like about it is these are hydrogel eye patches, similar to maybe the collagen masks that you sleep in, so they do get harder once they dry out. You leave them on for 20 to 30 minutes, and I use them in different ways. I use them either if I'm doing maybe an extended facial treatment, maybe my eyes are puffy and I just want to lay down with some, or if I'm trying to multitask, I'll put them on while I'm doing the rest of my eye makeup or my hair. Lots of different ways I use them, and I love eye patches. This is the container. There's 60 in here. It does come with a little mini spoon spatula to get them out because they can be a little slippery. It's really pretty pink, almost sparkly set. They look a little bit like crescent shaped. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on. This is what the eye patches look like. And normally I put the bigger side under here. Different people have different ways of doing it. With these, just based on this shape, I'm gonna go ahead and put the smaller side here, and you see how it curves to my eye. Do on the other side. This is going to help soothe your eyes, help with puffiness, and also provides some anti-wrinkle properties because of the collagen and the red ginseng. Not too sticky, you can see. And I'm ready to continue the rest of my day. Thank you so much for watching. I got these as part of the YesStyle affiliate program, and I'm gonna put my YesStyle code down below so that you can go ahead and check out YesStyle and see these patches as well as what other amazing things you can order and get a discount in the process. Let me know in the comments down below if you have these patches or if there are other eye patches that you like, and tell me what you like about them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.